Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day it is, welcome. Here's a quick little video clip on how to view Schoology as a student. So you go up here where it says Course Options and click, and then you have that first choice, View Course As. You click on that, and then just pick one of your students, and the page will reload, showing you how the course looks to one of your students. And so you can navigate through here and see all the things that how your students would see it, how they see their grades, how they see the updates, and that gives you a better idea of how to help them. Right? When you're done, you just click back to the course, and it takes you back to your version. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, send me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.